you for coming into my life. Bye! There you go. Shota. Pero do you know how to speak Tagalog naman? You're a Filipino naman. Hi, Mahal ko, I Blackout. And DY, hello, guys. I'm gonna follow you guys. I am new here and I hope you guys support me. I'm looking for my top 10. Because they're not coming back na. So it's actually nice. Hi, Mahal ko, right? It's nice. Okay, I'm gonna need to put this because my admin. No, I still don't have I only have one admin and then I'm gonna cancel them as an admin because they're not active anymore. So I'm trying to find an admin that will support me, that will stay here in my life, you know. Yes, it is. Okay, that's good. Where are you from? Sa Philippines. Sige, you need to prove yourself muna, mahal ko, if you're always here in my life. No way, Wes. I'm from Cebu. Hi, B. Cebuhay muna. Shota ka. Chef Lucas. Seryoso, taga saan nga? B, hi B. Loko-loko to si Weso. Hi, NDY. I am from Cebu, guys. Cebugay. Cebugay. Yeah, I am from Cebu. I am a Cebuana. I know how to speak Bisaya. Kumusta man ka? Taga-asa ka? Taga Cebu ko, uy. Bisaya man ko. Oy, thank you so much. So much. Thank you so much, Azrael. Oh, mag-one star na tayo yun. Oh, let's go. Thank you, Azrael. Chef Lucas, hello. Alright, guys. I'm gonna follow you back, guys. Taga si Bukid lang ako. Uy, nasa Bukid rin ako. Guys, I'm from province. I grew up in a province. Mahal ko, thank you so much. Azrael, mahal ko, thank you, guys. Thank you. Guys, I'm gonna follow you back. Para na lang kay Wes, hindi ako fina-follow back nung nakaraan. M&M. Nung last time. Hindi. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Thank you ng marami. I appreciate it, guys. Mahal ko, thank you so much. Guys, please, guys, I have my first PK on the July 31, 8:30 p.m. Philippine time. I hope you guys can come. Kasi wala nang pumupunta sa live ko kasi hindi ako laging nagla-live, guys. Kasi sobrang busy ko sa work. Tawang-tawa ka, Wes, ah. Natawanan niyo ako, ah. Ano? Gusto niyo ba, guys, maglabas rin ako ng sleepwears pang lalaki? I'm actually planning. Ang hirap kasi pag walang investor sa business, guys. Ano lang, one step at a time. Pero guys, again, sa mga may main host dyan, bilhan nyo na sila ng sleepwear. Ito, guys. Sleepwear siya. Lalo kayong may in love niyan. We can pronounce right. Touch my body.